The trend in Lagos real estate is moving towards this axis called the New Lagos. Industrialization, commercialization, and human population are all moving towards this way. So also, smart investors are moving along and they are buying properties, land properties in large sizes right here. Lekki happens to be host to a lot of huge government developments, starting from the free trade zone, the refinery, the deep sea ports, the fertilizer plants, and now Lekki is going to be home to the Lekki International Airport. So this makes it a vibrant location for smart investors who wants to grow their investment portfolio in the New Lagos. Investing right here at this point in time is actually the very best thing every smart individual or investor can be doing for themselves. So this is why I'm super excited to introduce you to our newest property in town. I mean, this property is the hottest in town right now. It is called the Parliament. We launched this property officially just a few days ago. So I am one of the very first people to bring it to your own very face. So still selling at the pre-launch price, meaning you can key in right now with just initial deposit of 5 million naira. I'm going to tell you just a few reasons why this property stands out amongst others. Number one is directly facing the Lekki Epe Expressway. You can see from this video that this place is already very busy. Mind you, when the airport kicks off, then this place is going to be super busy. Currently, Lagos State government has signed the MOU to start construction of the international airport with an international company. Okay, so this makes it the very best time to key into this project. It is just a few minutes away from the international airport. If you look closer, you will see the sign over there. That is where the Lekki International Airport is. Imagine owning a property that is just less than 2 minutes drive to the international airport. So it means your investment right here is super secured and it is going to be giving you huge return on investment. And being that the international airport has already started preliminary work, it means that this property or properties in this zone are going to skyrocket very soon. Thirdly, this property comes with a very good title, which is Certificate of Occupancy. And above all, this property is going to be facing two major roads. The first road is this one, and then the other road is going to be the coastal road. Imagine owning a property that is facing two major roads. Some of our commercial plots are going to be facing this way, and the other commercial plots are going to be facing the coastal road. So it means your investment right here is going to garner you huge return on investment. So that makes this property stand out among the others. Currently, we're selling 4 land sizes, 300 square meter, 600 square meter, and 1,000 square meter. That's the commercial plot. The commercial plot is currently selling for 85 million naira. This is the best time to key into this project. Initial deposit of 5 million gets you started and 10 million for the commercial plot. And you have the option to spread up to 12 months. Start today and you can pay within 3 months at 0 interest. Give us a call right away. Let us help you secure a plot or more right here. All right, so come with me. Let me take you inside to go and show you what we have been able to do in the short while. Smart investors, welcome to the interior part of the Parliament. And guess who is with us on site today?
Thank you so much, Tony
Kolawole. That's the MD CEO of Tribitat Real Estate. I told you they're the best developers in real estate when it comes to real estate in Lagos State. And he's also the current Redan
chairman for Lagos State.
Lagos chapter. So you see, you're actually in the best hands. So if you're a Nigerian in diaspora or a Nigerian in Nigeria who wants to own real estate and you won't get your hands burnt, this is the best time and the best developers to deal with. So I'm bringing you hot cake as it is hot. So sir, please tell us a bit about the Parliament.
Okay, Parliament is actually the sought after estate at the moment. When you talk about real estate investment in Nigeria, Parliament 1 is just adjacent the new international airport. And you know what is happening around the airport, how investment will be appreciating in value. So anyone buying property here, we are at the moment we are selling for 31 million for a 500 square meter of land. This same property
that's lower than the current value.
Yeah, but not the current value. Between now and next year, you'll be hearing about 100% appreciation on your property. So the best time now is now. So invest in real estate with us, with Caveta Homes, right?
Yes, Caveta
Yeah,
Realty.
Caveta Realty, you invest with real estate with us.
Okay, so I was just telling them a few minutes ago that this property stands out from the others because it will be facing two major express
Yeah.
roads.
So this
tell
estate
us.
stand out. We have the Lekki Epe Expressway,
Mm-hmm,
and it just adjacent the new international airport.
mm-hmm.
Then at the back, we'll be having the
Coastal Road.
coastal road. So that means that we have all the prime location in
Mm-hmm,
this same estate. We are facing this road and we are facing the other road. So here we have commercial plots. You can buy and use it for a lot of investments. We have some people buying, they want to use it for what do they call this filling station.
mm-hmm.
Some people are buying for gas
Hotels.
station, hotels, and
Mm-hmm,
the rest. Then at the back, also where we have the coastal road, is also another destination where your returns we be tripled in the next 1, 2, and 3 years. So now is the best time for you to invest. And what we are doing now, we are trying to achieve 2 kilometers of road between now, which is February, to March 28th. So watch out. You'll be seeing transformation concerning this estate called the Parliament. Thank you.
Thank you so very much, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you
And
very
thank you for
much.
having me.
All right, so you've heard it all. So what are you waiting for? The best time to key into real estate was
It's
many
now.
years ago. The next best time is
It's
right now.
now.
So call
Thank you.
right away.